I miss being next to you. I have never been loved the way you love me. I need to feel you again. I regret not doing it previously. Your love was different, unlike anything I've ever known. It was pure, without expectations, and it made me realize that love can truly be unconditional. I know you are not like others. In a world where people often love with hidden motives, you stand out. You taught me that love doesn't have to come with conditions, and that realization changed everything for me. The law of attraction in our connection. When I first met you, I didn't understand the law of attraction. I didn't realize that by focusing on positive thoughts and love, we attract those very things into our lives. But looking back, I see how our connection was a result of that universal law. I was drawn to you because of the energy you emitted, an energy of kindness, compassion, and unconditional love. You were the first person who loved me without any conditions or situation, and that love pulled me in like a magnet. The silence between us now feels unbearable, but I know that the law of attraction is still at work. By focusing on the love we shared, I believe we can bring that love back into our lives. I am willing to put in the work to rebuild what we had because I know it was real and it was special. I want to share my everything with you, and I know that by aligning my thoughts with love, we can create the future we both desire, realizing true love. A journey of self-discovery. I am heartbroken because of the silence between us, but I know that this is part of our journey. The law of attraction teaches us that we must first love ourselves before we can truly love another. You made me realize this when you loved me without expecting anything in return. I had to confront my own insecurities and childhood trauma to understand that I am worthy of the love you offered. At first, I couldn't believe that someone as perfect as you could love me. It seemed too good to be true, but as I got to know you, I realized that your love was genuine. You are patient, extremely loyal, and honest to a fault. Your beauty isn't just skin deep. It radiates from your soul. You are the kind of person everyone wishes to have in their life. A true partner, a friend, a guide, a teacher, and the biggest motivator I've ever known. The struggles of self-doubt and finding clarity. You know, I have never been true about my emotions towards anyone, including myself. For a long time, I was afraid to open up, to be vulnerable. I thought that showing my true self would make me less worthy of love. But you changed that. Your unconditional love showed me that I didn't need to be perfect to be loved. And I know you also think that I don't care about you, but the real truth is it's you I love the most, without any conditions or situation. It's true that I have childhood trauma, but my love for you is real. I think about you non-stop. At first, I won't lie, it seemed like you were too good to be true because you were so perfect in every way. You are patient, extremely loyal, and too honest. I was surprised. How could someone be so beautiful inside and out? Understanding the depth of unconditional love, you never demanded anything from me. You were the first person who loved me without any conditions or situation. But that's the only thing which left me completely in awe. I mean, in today's world, people love you only when they have some hidden agenda. But from where did you come, love? Why are you so awesome and loving? I can see in your eyes how pure your soul is. You are the complete package of kindness and generosity. I'm sorry that I lied to you, didn't trust you, made you feel vulnerable, and then left you alone without any explanation. Please forgive me for my mistakes. The healing power of love and forgiveness. I've come to realize that forgiveness is a key part of love. Just as you forgave me time and time again, I've learned to forgive myself for mistakes I've made. The law of attraction teaches us that what we focus on expands. By focusing on love, kindness, and forgiveness, we can heal our wounds and attract more of these positive energies into our lives. Thank you for watching over me. Even in this period of silence, I feel your presence guiding me towards a better version of myself. I know that we can rebuild what we had, stronger and more beautiful than before. I am committed to this journey, and I know that with the power of the law of attraction, we will find our way back to each other. Thank you for watching.